Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends and welcome back to your channel. This episode is on mango chia smoothie recipe. A very healthy and yummy smoothie. I've pre-soaked the chia seeds in milk for about 4 to 5 hours. And you can see the chia seeds had bloomed out very well. So pre-soak your chia seeds and keep it aside. You also require vanilla extract, sliced mangoes. I'm using Malgova mangoes here. You can use any mangoes of your choice. Now take some vanilla extract and mix it to your chia and milk. This will give a very good flavor. If you don't prefer, you can skip this part of vanilla. Now take the mango slices in your blending jar and make it into a very smooth puree. And now it's time to arrange. Take your serving glass and add in the chia mix. Now layer in it with the mango puree. Again with the chia mix. If you don't want to do so, you can directly mix the chia mix and mango puree and have it as it is. But this will give you a nice decorative effect. And repeat the process until you are done. Now let's top up with some sliced mango pieces. You may also use some chopped nuts. And yes, we are done. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments in the comment section box below. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to House to Home. Thanks for watching. House to Home.